Oh crap. Amber, I can't hold this door anymore.
You got some milk or something
Too wet.
Maybe a cigarette. Move!
Maybe move. Oh my god!
Pussy.
What do you mean pussy? That was
Ooh,
like
it's right up there too.
Or the streaks. That's Amber. Black cigarette.
I'm taking me a thunderstorm, huh?
Yeah, lately them cigarettes have been smelling pretty good. Tomorrow will be 10 months on your birthday.
What?
10 months quit tomorrow. That should be a nice effect with the smoke and the light. I bet you it looks badass. I'm not, I think it's pretty cool. Shut up, Marcy. Just tape. Nobody wants to hear your voice.
Here I am holding a metal door open. It's gonna hit the door.
No, it's not. Gotta keep it safe. Right, God? Right?
I got so many video clips. There's gotta be like 10 so far. Look, that's the last one. It looks like I'm videotaping daytime.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at this videotape of Amber's videotape. Oh, baby! Ow. Okay, that burned my eyes.
That's why I'm looking through my phone.
I can't help it. I can't stop watching it.
You wanna go frolic in the rain?
No. I'm brave, but I'm not that brave.
It's like scared me with my phone all day. I'm getting wet.
Man, I almost want to get in the car and freaking follow it.
I gotta find the right shot. Hopefully I'll get more. See, they're hitting like right up here too.
Yeah, I know. Listen, I've got 20 minutes of footage as of now. Feels like it's only been like 5 minutes. But watching it, it's gonna be like, it'll go on forever. We'll be like, God, what were we thinking?
Because every time I put my phone down, a big one happens.
Well, that's why I'm here.
I'll stop thinking.
Okay, I think it's finally moving.
We said last time. I got even more. Oh, I'm really glad it didn't hail. Yeah, it flooded my garden though.
Yeah, it's probably good. Yeah, it's a no.
See, dear, every fucking time.
Oh my god!
I just put my phone away, and that's what happened.
I got it.
I'm so glad you got it.
I mean,
Remember where
I'm
that
going
part is.
down to my knees when I got it, but I got it.
Like, I just see you kind of look and your eyes got wide and I looked over and then that's when I like, shit.
Holy shit. My camera's
We're gonna have
getting
a power
wet.
outage.
Damn it. Alright, that's it. I'm getting like I'm gonna build a lightning room. Alright. Yee, that was the best one.
That was.
I could probably stop taping now.
Every time a big one happens.
I know. I don't want to miss it.
Just like, I want to keep watching it, but I kind of want it to just move so I can go to bed.
I know. Like, alright. We weren't even challenging God today. Is that all you can do? It's like, from the get-go, we're like, okay, it's cool. Oh.
You're soaked.
I know, I have to change all my arm and stuff. Did you see that one? Did you see it? I didn't.
The scary thing is it's going right over our house too.
Yeah, I better set my phone alarms in the morning. It's powerless.
It's like the only thing I know about the phone alarm.
Yeah.
See, the not smart thing is us standing on this metal thing with soaking wet feet. So if it did hit the street and it sprawled down across, holy
Yeah, we're
crap.
pretty much screwed. No matter
Go
what
through
we
concrete. My poor flowers. Don't flood and die, please. Oh, my tall ones fell over.
do. Oh no.
Ah, fuck it. I'll turn it now. Wet.
Definitely born a storm chaser.
Think you'd be okay in your bedroom now?
Probably not.